Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I really like the sample and I hope you will like it too. This design might seem overly complicated, but I want to show you this so you can take a few different techniques away from this video. You can use bits of this design on their own to create a completely different design. I will write a chart for this pattern to be used as a repeat or on its own, and people will be able to download it from Patreon. For the sample in this video, cast on 50 stitches. Then, from the middle, count 12 stitches, 6 stitches each side. Begin forming the first eyelet. Using a 3-prong transfer tool, transfer 3 stitches, 1 stitch to the left. The third stitch will fall onto the 12th stitch we counted from the middle. Create the next eyelet on the other side, transferring again 3 stitches at once to the right this time. And the third stitch will fall as well onto the 12th stitch, or we can say onto the 6th stitch from the center. You can see on this sample where we begin. We will travel these eyelets, so with every transfer we will go to the left or to the right to get this nice effect. There are 2 more eyelets I need to form now, and we'll transfer these in opposite direction. Skip 2 stitches from where you made the first eyelet and then transfer again using a 3-prong transfer tool to the left and to the right, like so, and then knit 2 rows. Make sure you put these needles back in action with every transfer, otherwise you will get a ladder. Just as before, we will form 4 more eyelets, and this time they will be 1 stitch to the left or to the right from where we formed the previous one. Continue transferring like so until you have 10 stitches in between the eyelets. And now that I have 10 stitches in between, I will begin to create another set of eyelets that will travel in the same direction as the previous ones. This way, the sample will have a nice flow and continuity. Make sure that these 2 stitches are right in the middle and form 2 new eyelets. Basically, you are forming the 2 eyelets exactly in the same place you formed them before. Again, transfer 3 stitches at the same time to the left and to the right. As a guide, the third stitch will fall onto the stitch that formed the previous eyelet, like so. Continue transferring across, and we will do the last transfer on the first set of eyelets when we have 6 stitches left in total in the very middle. So now there are 6 stitches left in the very middle, and I will do a last transfer like so. Grab 2 3-prong transfer tools and we will do a last transfer, and it will look almost like a cable. All the 6 stitches are on my tools now, and I will transfer 1 stitch to the left like so. And then 1 stitch to the right. We will form 2 new eyelets this way, and then the 4 stitches in the middle will overlap, make it seem like it's a cable. You can choose to not do this last transfer and continue with the 2 new sets of eyelets, it's up to you, but from now on you can repeat this as many times as you want. Transfer until you have 10 stitches in between the eyelets on the left and on the right, and overlap the stitches in the middle when you have 6 stitches and form the eyelets this way as well. You can choose what you want to take away from this video. In this sample, I only traveled eyelets towards the middle. You can choose to do the same, or you can choose to travel them towards the outside. It's all up to you. I really wanted to share this sample with you so you can see what a difference makes when you use a 3-prong transfer tool to create eyelets. The effect is so much nicer. At least this is my opinion. I hope you like it anyway. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think, and if you like the sample or at least got inspired, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!